Hello everyone, this is Tripathi Aditya Prakash, a full-time data analyst and founder of Shivai. And today we are going to talk about how to become a data analyst in 2025. So I'll provide a comprehensive guide to kickstart your journey, and also I'll talk about the essential tools that you need to master and what kind of job opportunities are there right now and how you can actually harness your skill and actually get into it. So let's first understand what does a data analyst do on a daily basis first. So before starting this career, you have to understand what you have to do on a daily basis. It's very crucial that you understand what a data analyst actually do. So what they essentially do is to collect, transform and process the data that they get and analyze it later to help organization or the stakeholders that are there to make informed decisions, meaning that you will get some data, you'll have to collect it from various sources. It doesn't need to be in a single source, it can be from a DB, Excel sheet or other places. You'll have to get that information and you have to make it in such a way that the stakeholder, your boss, your supervisor, your manager, or the business that you are helping transform will understand that guidance. So, based on your data inputs, they'll make decisions. It can be as simple as, okay, our sales are not performing in this particular state, so we should introduce some new products there. Something like that. So, what their essential job is to transform the raw data that they have into actionable insights and then identifying these trends and patterns that they find on a daily basis to have a strategic planning for the stakeholders so that they can make a detailed plan that is data driven so that they can have a visibility on what's working, what's not working, and the areas that they can improve or discard it. So let's talk about what are the educational things that you need to know to get into this data analytical field. So while there are a lot of degrees such as computer science, statistics, or mathematics, your engineering degree, all those things that you can do, it's only a route that you can follow. What I mean by that is many successful data analysts have came from various different fields, and a lot of people I know I don't even from these kind of background, and how they learned is through self-study, online courses. They bought some courses, they learned it, and the boot camps that they have done. And most of them who are actually getting jobs are one who self-learned, didn't follow a course or anything like that. So the key to that is to commitment to learning and developing the necessary skills that are there. So like that. So since I've talked about these things, let's talk about what are the essential skills and tools for data analysts that are there. I'll talk about some of the fundamental tools that are needed for data manipulation and analytics. So first is Excel. It's never going to be out of the the market and system. It's always there. So you have to understand Excel is a fundamental tool that will be used, and most of the companies and most of the people higher ups only understand it. So it's a very, like, you can understand, it will be like 60% of the people that you'll be dealing in will be requiring a Excel sheet or something like that from you. And the second most important skill is SQL, that is structured query language. Is essential for querying databases and getting various data inputs from database. So you have to understand that. And next comes programming language. So proficiency in Python or R is highly valuable for static analysis that is there, and then data visualization that is there. So you have to understand that. And then comes data visualization tool. So a lot of business people or the people who are not too fluent in technical terms, most of the higher ups will not understand what you're just giving them numbers. So you need to get familiar with tools such as Power BI, Tableau, so that you can understand and show the data in a graphical format. They can understand graphs and like what is declining, what is increasing, like the trends that you can show in graphical manner. Because they won't rely fully on a number, like you can't just show them a table and expect them to understand each thing. You'll have to make them understand that thing. And lastly comes a very important skill that's been overlooked a lot is statistical analysis. So you have to understand various statistical methods that is there for data interpretation and how to accurately get that data. And you have to understand in context of businesses that are working, and you'll have to get practical experience in that. So hands-on experience is really vital. So you'll have to engage in real world projects, internship. Just try to get any unpaid internship, but don't go there. Try to get it from home or something like that. So you'll have to engage in real world projects, internship or freelance opportunity, whichever you can get it. Try to apply there. Even if you don't have any experience, you can just apply, tell them that you're resilient in it, but have some learning from your side. And very important that you build a portfolio. That's the first thing a person asks for, that showcase your work, your enhance your job performance and visibility on the works that you have done, and your educational background. All these things will be mentioned in that. So now let's talk about the job opportunity in data analytics. Is very important nowadays. You guys must be thinking about that. So the demand of data analysts is higher, but since AI is also on a boom, so people are thinking, okay, data analytics is just getting automated. It's nothing like that. Every place data analytics work is it, but the people will also need AI skills also. So you'll have to understand AI on a deeper level, because the person using AI will replace you, not AI will replace you. So there are very positions are available, such as entry level positions, such as junior data analyst or business analyst are excellent starting point that you can start. So with that experience, you can advance into roles such as senior data analyst, and then data scientist also, or a data analytics manager also is there, or a project manager also you can hover onto. So with that being said, everyone needs a mentor, and being a mentor of more than 50 students, I can assure that people do get guidance when they need it, and without guidance they get scattered away. So to support your journey, I already have a course in place. It's a very exclusive course, you can say. So you'll have to show your potential, because it gives you in-depth knowledge and coaching also from my side. So you'll have to show your potential to get engaged in it. You can buy it from the top mid account link below, and you have to show your commitment if you want to buy that course. So why it is there? To support your journey. It's a 12-week personalized course that is designed for students or freshers or any professional that is trying to shift to this particular field. There are no particular prerequisite that are required, but basic programming knowledge is helpful. That will be there. So the program also includes resume reviews. It's tailored feedback on your resume and award-winning resumes such as Google, people who got job in Google, Amazon, other places, their resume, how we make it like that. And then we also have mock interviews and personalized guidance for it. And then we also have practice sheets that has exclusive data set, quizzes and assignments that are there. So all these additional bonuses worth 5,000 will be included in the course that we are having. It's called Data Analytics Mastery one-on-one coaching course. So it's priced at 20,000 rupees, and this additional bonus of 5,000 is included in this. You don't have to pay anything extra. So now let's talk about the course more, as everyone wants to get into the field, but no one actually shows the potential. It's not just about you'll do interview question and you'll get a job. It's not that easy anymore. So in this coaching program, you will gain hands-on experience. You'll work on real-world projects. You'll build a robust portfolio, and you'll have skill development, and you'll know essential tools such as Excel, SQL, Python, and Tableau, and also Power BI if you can choose between the two, or you can learn both. And you'll get career support. You'll receive guidance that is tailor-made based on your education, your background, for your career goals, and so that it's ensured that you are prepared for the job that you are applying for. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Enroll in Data Analytics Mastery one-on-one coaching program. The link will be in description. It's a top mid link. you can go and enroll right away. And thank you for watching now. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more such insights, because we push out videos on a weekly basis to help you guys. More content is there on Instagram, LinkedIn, all social medias we are active on. And you also share with other people that will get interested and have an interest in it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.